Alright, today we will tackle about changing decimals into fraction. So basically, a decimal is changed to a fraction by using 10 or any power of 10 into the denominator of the given decimal. Then we change it to the lowest term, or we simplify it to the lowest term if it is possible. So we have an example here. We will change 0.4 into fractions. So we know that 0.4 is equals to 4 over 10. So we use the 10 power of 10 as our denominator, and notice that we can still simplify this 4 over 10 into 2 over 5. So basically 0.4 is equals to 2 over 5. Next is we have 0.25. You know that this is 25 over 100, and 25 over 100 is just equals to 1/4 when we simplify it. And for our third example, we have 0.328. So we have 328 over 1,000. And 328 over 1,000 is equals to 41 over 125 when it is simplified. So it was quite easy to change any terminating decimal to a fraction. But how about if a decimal is a repeating or non-terminating decimal can be represented as a fraction? So let's have an example to this. We will have examples of non-terminating decimals to fractions. So our first example is 0.6 bar. So the bar on the top of the number, it is represent that this is a repeating decimal. So let's change this into fraction. We have 0.6 bar is just equals to 0.6 bar multiplied by 1. So this is by identity property. Next, we will rename 1. So 0.6 bar multiplied by 9 over 9. We know that 9 over 9 is just equals to 1. And next, we will again rename our fractions 9 over 9. So 0.6 bar is equals to 10 minus 1 over 9. So is this equals to 9 over 9? Of course. So we now have 0.6 bar multiplied by 10 minus 1 over 9. So by distributive property, we will have 6.6 bar minus 0.6 bar over 9 will have the answer 6 over 9 or 2/3. So our repeating decimal 0.6 bar is just equals to 2/3. Let's have another example. We have 0.5 bar. So we know that 0.5 bar is just equals to 0.5 bar times 1 by our identity property. And we will again rename 1 by 9 over 9. 0.5 bar divided by 9 over 9. And also rename it again by 0.5 times 10 minus 1 over 9. And we have 0.5 bar multiplied by 10 minus 1 over 9, which is now equals to 5.5 bar minus 0.5 bar over 9, or just simply 5 over 9. How about if we have 0.32 bar. So we know that this is again equals to 0.32 bar multiplied by 1 by our identity property. So we will rename again 1 by 99 over 99. And 0.32 bar. So 100 minus 1 over 99 is just equals to 99 over 99. So we have 100 minus 1 over 99. And again, by distributive property, we will have 32.32 bar minus 0.32 bar over 99. So we get 32 over 99. And that's how we change decimals into fraction.